Hi everyone, it's Clyde here, and this week's video is all about my top 3 finance tips for young adults. So, my number 1 tip, and the most important tip, I can't stress this enough, my number 1 tip for young adults is learn the art of delayed gratification. Unfortunately, a lot of young people today cannot wait. They do not understand the concept of waiting, and so they want to have everything now. And when it comes to their finances, they want everything now. When they're spending and buying things, they're not willing to wait and save for that, save for the item that they want to buy. They want to buy everything on credit. And so, if you can understand this concept about delayed gratification, that is, learn to save for what you buy. Don't put everything on credit straight away. If you don't have the money, don't put it on credit. Because what happens is that you buy a pair of shoes on credit. If you don't pay it off and it takes you months, you're paying interest on the pair of shoes that you've just bought. And that's not a good finance strategy to do. And so, learn the art of delayed gratification, save first and then buy. So that's my first tip for young adults. My second tip for young adults is to pay yourself first. This is a great finance concept. A lot of people talk about it. I talk about this concept to all my clients, about the importance of putting aside even a small amount of money first. When you get paid, putting it aside, and whatever's left over is what you spend. Whether you have debts, personal loans, car loans, whatever it is, it's still important to put money aside because it teaches you discipline. It forces you to spend less than what you make. And that is a fantastic, that's a great concept to develop as you get older, is to spend less than what you make. And that's all about this paying yourself first concept. And finally, the third thing that my third tip for young adults is look at ways to grow your savings. Don't just leave your savings in the bank, because as we all know, interest rates are so low. So look at ways to grow your savings, and that could just mean investing, buying some shares, or investing in the share market, investing in property, doing something with your savings that will grow your savings. And if this is an area that you're not familiar with, then sit with a professional. Allow them to explain these concepts to you so you understand the importance of growing your savings. So, they're my top 3 finance tips for young adults. Number 1, the most important, is to learn the art of delayed gratification. Number 2, pay yourself first. And finally, number 3 is to learn to grow your savings. So if you have any questions about today's video, please write your comments below. If you found value in this video, please share it to family and friends. And finally, remember, I'm dedicated to helping you take actionable steps today for a better financial tomorrow. See you next week. Bye.